Ever been scrolling through a private Telegram group, found a video you absolutely need to save, and poof, no download button? It's super frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download pretty much any video from a Telegram group, even when the admin has tried to lock it down. We've all been there. You find a killer clip, an important tutorial, or just a hilarious meme in a private group, and you hit a brick wall. The save button's gone. Forwarding is disabled. It feels like that video is locked away forever, but what if I told you it isn't? Today, we're going to cover all the bases. First, we'll quickly run through the simple, official way to download videos, just in case you've missed a setting. Then we get to the main event, the workarounds. I'll show you several clever methods to get around those pesky restrictions, whether you're on your phone or computer. By the end of this, you'll have a full toolkit to make sure no video is ever out of your reach again. Just a quick heads up before we start. Always try to respect the copyright and rules of whatever group you're in. These methods are for personal use, not for sharing content without permission. Let's be cool about it. All right, first things first, let's cover the basics. In a lot of private groups, admins don't actually turn off downloads. Sometimes the option is just a little hidden or your app settings aren't quite right. So before we get into the tricky stuff, let's make sure you're not missing the easy fix. On your phone, downloading an unrestricted video is a piece of cake. When you see a video, just tap on it to open it full screen. On Android, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tap those and you should see a Save to Gallery option. Hit that and the video will land in your phone's gallery, usually in a Telegram folder. On an iPhone, it's a little different. Open the video and find the Share icon, that little box with an arrow pointing up, usually in the bottom left corner. Tap it and from the menu that pops up, hit Save Video. It'll go straight to your Photos app. If videos aren't saving, you might want to check your app settings. Go to Telegram Settings, find Data and Storage, and look for an option like Save to Gallery. Here, you can tell the app to automatically save media from groups and channels. If you're on the Telegram desktop app or the web version, it's even easier. Just hover your mouse over a video and you'll usually see a little download icon, a downward arrow. Click it and the video will save to your computer's Downloads folder. If you've tried this and there's no save or download option, then the group admin has definitely enabled content protection, and that's where the real fun begins. So why does that download button disappear? Telegram gives admins a feature called Restrict Saving Content. When this is switched on, it stops members from forwarding messages, copying text, and most importantly for us, it removes the option to save photos and videos. It's meant to protect exclusive content, like in a paid course or a private community, but it's a pain when you just want to save a video for your own offline viewing. The good news is, this restriction is more of a strong fence than an unbreakable vault. Now let's get into how to open the lock. The workaround methods for restricted videos. This is the part you've been waiting for. We're going to explore a few different ways to get around those download blocks. I'll cover a few methods from easy to a bit more advanced so you can find one that works for you. Method 1. Using a Telegram downloader bot. One method you'll see talked about online is using a Telegram bot. These bots claim to act as a middleman. You send them a link and they send the video back without restrictions. The most common one is the Save Restricted Content bot. Here's how it works, but I need to give you a major security warning. To use this bot, it will ask for your phone number, your login code, and even your two-step verification password. Let me be crystal clear. You are giving a stranger complete control of your Telegram account. This is a massive security risk. Do not do. It can get your account hacked and lose all data. I personally can't recommend it. Giving away your login credentials is never a good idea. Method 2. Browser extensions for PC or desktop users. If you use Telegram on your computer, using the web version with a browser extension is probably the most powerful method. Here's how to set it up in a browser like Chrome. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for something like Telegram Video Downloader or Telegram Content Downloader. Look for one with good recent reviews. Click Add to Chrome to install it. You should see a new icon pop up in your toolbar. It's a good idea to pin it so it's easy to find. Now open the Telegram web version in a new tab, either www.web.telegram.k or www.web.telegram.a, and log in. Go to the private group with the video you want. You might need to refresh the page to let the extension kick in. The extension should automatically add a download button right below the restricted video. Just click that button and the video will download straight to your computer. This method is awesome, and some extensions even support downloading multiple files at once, which is a huge time saver. Method 3, the last resort, screen recording. When all else fails, there's one method that's impossible to block: screen recording. You're not technically downloading the file, but you are creating a new video of it, which is often good enough. On iOS and Android, both operating systems have a screen recorder built in. You can usually find it in your quick settings panel when you swipe down from the top. Just start recording, play the video in full screen, and stop when you're done. You can easily trim the start and end of your recording afterwards. On PC or Mac, on Windows, you can use the Xbox game bar, press Windows key plus G, and on a Mac, you can use the screenshot tool, Command plus Shift plus 5. For better quality and more control, free software like OBS Studio works great. The main downside is that the video quality might not be as good as the original, and you have to be careful not to record your notifications or mouse movements, but it's a guaranteed way to save any video when nothing else works. For group admins, how to protect your content. To be fair, let's look at the other side. If you run a group and want to protect your content, turning on restrictions is easy. Open your group and tap its name at the top to see the profile. Tap the edit or pencil icon. Go to Group Type. You'll see an option called Restrict Saving Content. Just flip that switch on. Once it's on, members won't be able to forward, copy, or save media from your group. But remember, as we've just shown, a determined person can still find ways around it. So let's recap. If a video isn't restricted, use the built-in Save button. If it is restricted, your new toolkit includes using downloader bots, trying a browser extension on your PC, or using a screen recorder as your foolproof backup. You're now ready for pretty much any situation. If this video helped you out, hitting that like button would be amazing. It really helps the channel grow. And for more tech tips and walkthroughs like this one, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Now, I want to hear from you. Did one of these methods work? Do you have another trick that I missed? Drop a comment down below. I try my best to read and reply to as many as I can. So, there you have it. Whether you're trying to save an important tutorial, a favorite memory, or just a funny clip, you're now fully equipped to download videos from just about any Telegram group. The power is back in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.